If content is fire, then social media is the gasoline that can make it spread like wildfire. In today's digital age, creating compelling content is just the beginning. To truly make an impact, you need to know how to leverage social media effectively. This is where your product can go from being a mere spark to an explosive sensation. Understanding the intricacies of social media platforms, each with its unique algorithms, audience behaviors, and engagement tactics, is very crucial. Simply posting content isn't enough. You need to craft a strategic approach to ensure your content reaches the right audience at the right time and in the right way. This requires expertise in content creation, distribution, and promotion. Hiring a professional agency can transform your content strategies. Agencies bring in-depth knowledge of social media trends, tools, and analytics. They know how to create engaging content tailored for each platform, optimize it for maximum visibility, and implement targeted campaigns to amplify your reach. Professional agencies also stay updated with the ever evolving social media landscape, ensuring your strategies remain relevant and effective. They analyze performance data, refine tactics, and continuously optimize your campaigns for better results. Investing in a professional agency ensures your content doesn't just exist, it also thrives. By turning your content into a powerful fire and using social media as gasoline, agencies can help your product explode into the market, capturing attention and driving growth like never before. So, for more such insights, do follow, like, and share. Peace.